Patients come to you because you're a surgeon and you have expertise on how to keep people looking young and natural, but a lot of people come in, they're not ready for surgery. Either emotionally they're not ready for surgery, or maybe just technically they're not ready for surgery. It's not time. So in our practice, we have several technologies that are new, that are really fabulous to make improvements that have very minimal, if any, downtime, and we can get them in and out with a nice difference. The first one is called Ultherapy. It's ultrasound skin tightening, and it works just like ultrasound does when you have ultrasound when you're pregnant and you're looking at a picture, except for these sound waves go into the skin and they meet under the surface and they cause heat. And that heat tightens the collagen in the skin, causes it to shrink, and you get tightening of the skin. It's designed for the face, first and foremost. The second technology that we have is called Vanquish. Vanquish is a radio frequency skin tightening device that's designed for the trunk, for the abdomen, the flanks, and actually it's going to be coming out to remove fat around the thighs. It doesn't touch the patient at all. It creates heat by what's called radio frequency. It's sort of like microwave energy. So obviously it's not a microwave, but it's that type of energy. And since it doesn't touch you, it just warms the tissue and heats the fat cells. They break down, release their fat, and they wash out naturally from the body. When that happens, you get a reduction in size, in inches, and those patients do very well. It's usually about 4 to 6 treatments. They can come in and have it done and go right back to work. It takes 30 to 45 minutes for each treatment. It's very easy to do. The third technology is what's called Exilis, and that's also a radio frequency or microwave type technology. And that's a contact technology. It's designed for the head and neck, but it actually can also be used all over the body. It has two components. One part is that it will do some fat reduction, and the other part, which is also great, is it can do some skin tightening. If you use it correctly, you can warm the collagen in the skin a little bit and actually get some skin tightening and reduction of wrinkles, and that part can be used all over the body, which is one of the few devices where you can do that. I think one of the things that happens is a lot of times people end up in the office and they think they need surgery and they don't, and the one thing I want everybody to know is in our practice, I'm not always going to tell you you need to have surgery. And I think it's really important to know that it's okay to come in for a consult, and sometimes it's okay not to have surgery as well, and we do have some things to offer.